Assalamu alaikum. I am Rais and you are watching Dr. Islamic. Today I am coming with special video for you. The video is about 5 tablets of Deen Islam. There are 5 tablets of Deen Islam that we all should take in our daily life with some time gap. So we are about to start the video. The 5 tablets of Islam that is called as namaz. The first one tablet of Islam is namaz Fajr. Every day we should take this tablet early in the morning. Then the second one tablet of Islam is namaz Zohar. Every day the time of this tablet is in midday, afternoon. The third tablet of Islam, namely namaz Asr, that we should take every day before evening time. Then the fourth one tablet of Islam is namaz Maghrib. In evening time we should take the tablet after sunset. The last and important tablet of Islam is namaz Isha. We should take the tablet before sleep every night, as we should have fixed time every night before sleep and pray the namaz Isha. The 5 tablets are very important for every person in all over the world without any excuse. So take these tablets and feel calm. Jazakallahu khair. Please like, comment and share the video and share the Islamic knowledge with others. It's very good habit.